in question rectangle, basically we have to find the maximum area of rectangle. Maximum area of rectangle using N ink. Here N is the utmost ink. We have to use N at most and we have to make the rectangle whose area is maximum. So suppose in given question N is equal to A. So we have to find such type of rectangle whose maximum area. So there are many rectangles can be formed using this ink. So basically ink is the parameter. Here are three concepts before approaching questions. First one is we should know about the parameter of rectangle. Parameter is the 2 into length plus breadth. Second point is N is the given ink. By using this, we have to make maximum area rectangle. So by using this, we know about this 2 into length plus breadth should be less than equal to N. Now, third point is we have to find maximum area. So how can we approach this question? First, we take max area variable to store maximum area initialized with 0. Now we take half variable where we store N by 2. Here half is maximum possible sum of length and breadth. So now we have to find maximum area. Before finding the maximum area, we have to find length and breadth of side. We know that rectangle length and here it is breadth. When we convert half is equal to N by 2, then it means we have the L plus B. Now, iterate for L is equal to 1 to half. Try each possible length. B is here breadth. We can find half minus L. Now we take max area, math dot max is equal to L into B. In this way, we can find easily the maximum area of rectangle. And we try this. And then after finally, we can print the maximum area. Now, this approach will take time complexity of On by 2 because we generally run this loop from I to half where half is N by 2. So it takes On by 2. Generally, it will convert in On. But now we can this in single step or in time complexity O1. How can we approach it? Now see, half is the N by 2. We know L plus B is equal to N by 2. We can use this for this. Now, how can we calculate length? Length, like when we take example, N is equal to 8, length is equal to 1, then breadth is equal to 3. Half here, 8 by 2 is equal to 4. When L is equal to 2, B is equal to 2. When L is equal to 3, B is equal to 1. We see after half, length will become 3 and breadth will become 1. But the area of this step and this step will be same. Same area. So after half, length, when increase the highest value, then breadth will become lowest value, due to which area will become same. So we generally approach that if we take loop from half to L is equal to 1 to half by 2, then we can also approach it. But we can do this step also in single step. How? We know a rectangle can be formed in single step that L is equal to half by 2. We know our smallest rectangle is L is equal to half by 2. We know that to find maximum area, nearly equal length and breadth always gives maximum area. Like example, n is equal to 15. Then when we take L is equal to 1, breadth is equal to half is equal to here, and by 2, that is 7, because we take half as an int data type. Now we take 7 minus 1, 6, L is equal to 2, then with 7 minus 2, 5. In this same steps, after half, L is equal to half by 2, that is 7 by 2, 3. When L is equal to 3, B is equal to 4. After reaching half, we see that after L, when L is 4, B is 3. It gives same area. L is equal to 5 for maximum value of L. B becomes lower 2. This gives same L is equal to 6. B is equal to 1. This gives same. So there is no need from after half. So we basically take highest value of length and highest value of breadth so that we can generate maximum area. So we can take simply as this question, maximum area. To store answer 0, half is equal to n by 2 given n. Take L is equal to half by 2, and we can calculate breadth, half minus length, and store max area equal to. Then there is no need of math.max function, because we know that L and B will be gives always highest area of rectangle. So there is no need of this step. Now we can simply return system dot out dot print L and L cross B. But here we miss one edge case. That is what if n less than 4? We can do this. We handle this approach, this edge case, before doing this. If n less than 4, then system dot out dot print always gives 0 answer. And we can simply continue for further test cases. You can ask that why n less than 4 always gives 0? Because before less than value of n, it is impossible to make valid rectangle. How it is possible? If n, suppose take an example, n is equal to 3, how it is possible to take? It will be only 3 sides. It is not possible. The smallest parameter of valid rectangle is always 4. So we can't make it. We handle this test case in brute force and in optimized. The time complexity of this O1. Space complexity also O1, as here we are not used any data structure. Same way, you can also handle this edge test case in brute force, as I am mentioned not here. So you can handle this also here. That's it. Thanks.